Alright, in this video, what I'm going to do is use our friendly neighbourhood birds on our setup here where we feed them regularly to film and see what we get. Now we've got various ones down here, bird feeding devices. You've got the ball in a cage, there's something in it, the bird food in a kind of device with a hole in it that they can peck at, and this one here they kind of peck at from underneath, they kind of have to grab on. But usually the favourite one is this one up here. They just sit here, stand right there, and then you just peck at these. And we have quite a few. They've really noticed that I'm really out kind of feeding them, and they're kind of tripping away telling each other about it. They always do that. And the funny thing is, I've noticed we get quite a lot of small birds, but they never seem to get muscled out by the bigger birds, the medium-sized ones. So they always kind of take it in turns. They never kind of push each other out, and they're very kind of polite about eating. Also, the largest bird we've ever had, because as I fill these up here, they kind of drop down into the grass. I've seen what you call a British bird called a pheasant, and it kind of walked all the way along the road and walked for ages and ages, and it took a beeline straight for underneath this balcony. So I don't think we'll get him coming today, but we'll see. I'm going to start this off by putting this camera, because they may not be used to the camera, behind the closed door. So I'll probably focus on this area here and adjust the camera accordingly. We'll see what we find, and I'll kind of like speed up the tape and cut out bits where there's no birds, and we'll have a look at them close up. By the way, their favourite food is this sort of thing, this sort of pellet thing, suet pellet. So this one's blueberry and raisin. I just bought this from the supermarket. They love this stuff. By the way, I ain't even finished, and the magpie's already come along, which is so I better focus. And he was focused on this one as well. So what I'm going to do is, because I've got a curtain here, I'm just going to adjust it. He was a big bird, so the magpie was here, and he's quite a nice fellow as well. He knows you're not going to hurt him or anything. Got a funny glowy kind of line on the left hand side of the camera. Probably the reflection on the door. And then get rid of it. So he was here. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to focus on this one here. Alright? Just leave it running and see what happens. Well, the backdrop should be that. We just cut the sound out. We just cut the sound out, didn't we? Put the curtain on this one too. This was a big lady, wasn't it?